Joyce Insurance Agency offers a convenient way to manage your insurance online. To access your online account, go to joyceins.com and click Client Portal in the top right corner. Enter your email, and you will receive a verification code via email or text. Once logged in, you can access the full Client Center. To submit a document, click Document, then Upload Document. Drag the file to the designated area, briefly describe the file, and click Upload. If you need to change your policy, click Change Request to add or remove information about vehicles, drivers, lien holders, or make other general requests. Remember that this request does not bind the coverage with the carrier. The change will be enforced only after the carrier endorses the policy. In the Policy section, you can view all of your active policies. Click View Policy to obtain more information about a specific policy, or request a change by clicking the Request Change button in the top right corner. To make payments, use the Make a Payment button to direct you to the Payment section. You can also access the Payments section directly from the homepage. Here, you can view and pay specific invoices. Select an invoice, check the acknowledgment reminder, and click Continue. Fill out the account information and choose the payment method, credit card or direct debit. In most cases, you can pay your auto or home carrier directly via the Joyce Agency portal. If you want to make a one-time payment, click One-Time Payment, enter the amount and reason, fill out the account information, and choose the payment method, credit card or direct debit. To update your personal information, click on the icon in the top right corner and click My Account. You can edit your personal information, contact preferences, and co-applicants from here. Remember to include a message to inform your agent of the change. For further assistance, click on the Contact Us button. With Joyce Insurance Agency, managing your insurance is easy, convenient, and secure.